Hello guys, and welcome back. So let's continue. So now in the next this tutorial we have to work on the next screen after we click one of these time, because remember we are coming from here, and then when we click here we want to go to the next screen. So let's just check our test app. So the next screen is this screen of selecting a player color. So in this screen we select the player color. If we are playing versus the computer, we need to change the difficulty, and then we can see the time here. So for example, let's go back. If we click on playing versus a friend, once we choose the time, we don't see that option of selecting the difficulty. We just need to choose the color, and then we can see the time we have chosen, and then we are good to go. And then on this time, this is just a read only. And then when we come back, when we select custom time here, we can see that we can change the time here depending on, maybe we want to give white more minutes, black less, so because it's custom, and then we can play. Okay, so this is the screen that we are going to create next. If we are using the computer, we can see the game difficulties. Okay, so let's go on ahead and work on that. And also here we can see that the last box here, it only says custom, but when we come back to ours here, it shows this. So let's also show only custom once on the last box here. So to do that, we need to go back to our method, to our widget for showing this. So where is that? It's in our helper method here. So where is our widget? It's here. This is it the one? Build game type, I think so. Yeah, this could be, yeah, that's the one. So now here, remember we are checking if the icon is now, we are putting the game time, and then we have a space. But now before showing the game type here, the game time here, we can have another check here. So here we are checking if icon is not equal to now, we are showing an icon. And then here, before showing the game time, let's also check. So we are checking if this game time, we'll say if this game time that is coming is equal to this 60 plus 0, this one here. If it is this one, what we want to do is not show it. So we're going to say a constant of sized box dot shrink, and then else we're going to show it. Okay, so we can remove this now, check here, because we are already checking here. So here, if the icon is not now, we show the icon. And then next, if this game time is not equal to this, we are going to show it. If it is equals to this, we will show a blank. This is size box dot shrink, we won't show anything. Okay, so let's restart the application and see if we have this correct. So it's telling me to upgrade. I'm going to upgrade this later. So the application has started, and it's raining outside. I'm not sure if there's a noise in this video. Sorry for that. Okay, so the application has started. Let's go on ahead and click somewhere, and then now we can see that it's gone. Okay, then this side it's gone. Okay, now this is fixed. Let's work on the next screen. Okay, so let's go on ahead and in the lib here, and then create that new screen. Let's go back on the lib here, right click, create a new dot file. Sorry, let's come back here on the main screens, new dot files. Let's name this screen as color what can we name this? Like game startup screen. Startup screen. I don't think I'm good with this naming of the screens. You guys can name this as the easiest you can name it. Okay, I'm going to name this as game startup screen. Okay, and then let's close this out. It's gonna type stf and then game startup screen. Okay, let's return a scaffold and then see what we have here. Of course, we have an up bar, and then we don't have any actions. Let's have leading, which will be icon button, icon, we say icons, icons dot arrow back. What else we're going to have on pressed? Just simply navigator dot pop and then context. Let's have a color, colors dot white. This is good. We can have a constant keyword here, and then we can also have a background just to keep the same background here. Background color, colors dot it's blue. Okay, and then let's have a title, which is going to be the text widget, and then let's just say set up a game. Yeah, and then let's also have a style, which comes from text style. Here we just want to put the color for now. That's it. Now let's go back in the body. So here we have body. Let's return a column. Okay, now this column has got children. So in the children, let's see what we have here. Okay, we only have a few things here. We have this radio button, a radio restyle, and then we have this container to just show this time, and then this as well. Okay, so let's create this the radio button. Let's go back. First of all, let's navigate to this screen. So where is that? Game time screen. Okay, so here on click here. Now we need to navigate to that screen. Okay, so we have to say navigator dot push material page route context, and then we're going to say what's the screen? It's called game setup screen. Okay, like that. Let's have a constant keyword here, and then let's restart. Let's click here, and then let's click here. Okay, we are in that screen. Okay, so but one other thing is we need to know where we have clicked here. We need to know what time we have picked, and then also the other thing is we need to know if this person is playing with a computer or with a person. Okay, so all that we have to transfer like from here.